So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy stocks inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to this bottom bar and select the magnifying glass. Then go to the top search bar and select it. Now, you can either type in a stock of your choice or you can go to all categories right here and select an industry and sort of find it that way. So let's just say for this example, I want to search up TELUS stock. I'll find TELUS Corporation right here. I'll just select the one that's on the TSX. And once you have your stock selected, go to the bottom left and then press on select an account. Make sure that your FHSA or your first home savings account is selected and then go ahead to the bottom right and press buy. Once you're here, you can go to the top right and change the order type. I will keep it as it is. And if you wanted to, let's just say, use $3 worth of this, it'll show you how much shares. And if you want to proceed, press review. Most important thing here is when you're reviewing the order that the account type is your FHSA. So if you wanted to buy stock inside of your FHSA, the account has to say FHSA here. And if you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on Q order or press on buy, and then follow the steps that come after. So that's how you guys can buy stocks inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.